Pasas lang.
Iya. Gusto rin makita ni Timmy kasi may liit pa si Timmy.
Mama.
Nainita na si Baby Adam. Lumabas na sa ating baby bag. Okay. How was your check-up?
Agad, agad.
Oh, good. Ay, thank you, Lord. And this guy is already also hungry. Emergency buffet asawa ko, ha? Ginutom kami sa kakaantay patis siya. Maybe that is wasabi, ano ko?
Wasabi? Oh, little bit big. I thought it's avocado.
That is not avocado. Toot toot toot, magandang araw! Ayan guys, meron kami lakad ngayon. Dahil today is schedule of check-up of our Mama Annie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything is complete?
I think so, hope so.
Para kayong bibi asawa ko. You know bibi? There, tatlong bibi.
Yeah.
By the way, good morning guys. Isang napakagandang umaga, maaraw. And yun. So, samahan muna namin si Mama Annie mag-check up. Tara. Dito na rin si atin. Here! Dito. You're always there.
Yeah.
Nakalimutan namin yung car seat ni Adam. This one always missing in action.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, so the water here. Sige, okay na.
Ja.
Auf die andere Seite.
Bei den Fabriken, ne? We go today to the other side of the river, and last time we walked the whole way to when we wanted to buy asparagus. It's like exactly the same place, but now we will drive, so we'll be in time for the ferry crossing. Yeah.
Ah, Timmy will ride a boat.
Yoo-hoo, the ferry.
Und you also, Papa.
Ja.
Der Papa.
Schedule and check up ng ating mama.
Juhu.
Heute machen wir ein Papa Timmy
Sonne?
Heute machen wir ein Papa Timmy.
Versuchst du Staub zu fangen? You try to catch dust, Timmy.
Staub.
What?
Yung kaugummi spicy.
Yeah, may kagami spicy. Yung bubblegum po daw spicy. May balak na naman si Timmy. Mamaya kakain kayo ng ice cream. Masarap kumain ngayon kayo. Maganda yung araw, mainit. Oh. Hoy mga excited, let's go here. Ayun, dalawa guys excited. Andun pa yung ferry boat na sa kabila. Ayan. So pag magko-cross sila dito sa kabilang guys, sa kabilang part ng river, kailangan nilang sumakay ng ferry. Or otherwise, pwede rin namang by car. Pero medyo malayo. Or pwede rin isa kayong sasakyan sa ferry boat. Pero doon naman siya sa unahan. Kaya yun dito na ferry is lang, mga bike lang. Yan.
Bleib mal hier auf der Seite.
Dito. So ako ngayon na magdadala kay Adam kasi magpapacheck up ang ating magandang nanay. Sakto yung matutulog yan si Adam kasi dumede na siya. Check natin baby Adam kung natutulog. Ayun. Okay, parang humihilig pa. Adam looks like he's snoring. Adam looks like snoring again. Mamaya na namin kukunin si Adam sa sasakyan kasi hindi pa naman or umaandar yung yung ating ferry boat nandun pa sa kabila. Tsaka mainit. Ayan. Si Timmy tumatago sa laylayan ng kanyang nanay. I really like you to see like this asawa ko. Yeah. I don't know how to call this one in Philippines. Saya or I don't know. It's summer cloth maybe.
Sayang?
Saya. Hindi ko alam eh. Hanggang ngayon Aniko, sakit pa rin ang paa ko Aniko. Okay, this one for the long ride last time. Masakit guys, pati dito.
Oh.
outside the
Want a
house.
massage later?
It's okay, thank you. In-underestimate ko yung biyahe. Napakalayo. Para kami bumiyahe ng Puerto Princesa to Coron by land. Yeah, doon sa Palawan. You like to go to Coron also, right? Someday.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I heard there's a beautiful
Yeah.
zoo also, they said.
Yeah. Sa Kalawit yun asawa ko. Maybe next time.
Mm-hmm.
But at the moment, tagal ng ferry ha. Yun pa yung ferry guys, nandun po sa kabila oh. What time the ferry will tingin?
In 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes?
Yes.
Oh, there's a
We're
time
a
also.
little bit earlier because I estimated to have a little bit puffer time.
Yeah,
In case.
better early than late.
Yeah.
Oh, tago, mainit sa saya ni mama.
I'm spectaling.
It's a woman's doctor, right?
Yeah.
We check up.
Gynecologist.
So we are finished to Timmy, Ella, and
I'm
you today,
and Friday is
Friday.
Adam.
So complete already.
Yeah, just you not. Want to check up too?
No, I am healthy. One mother duck.
Yeah.
And 2 little duck.
Today only Mama will get sunburned. The children will not.
Yeah.
The chair.
Mainit nga naman kasi guys talaga. Oh, we forgot the payong.
Payong. What's that?
Payong.
Payong. Yeah, it's okay. There are trees there. But stay in the shadow only.
Nakapunta na ako dyan isang beses guys. Last time nung meron kaming in order na. You remember the vacuum? Wireless vacuum. We pick it up there.
Yeah,
The
I
vacuum.
remember.
That's the last and first. So ngayon is my second time to travel with the Kleiny Ferry. There. Ito naman sila, palagi yan sila guys.
Yeah, I
Lagi
went
silang
there often
tumatawid
already.
dyan. Parang mayroon dong chapel dun sa may dulo guys. Chapel, sorry. Church. Church na. Sa Catholic. When you see like this kind of church, it's a Catholic or what?
Mostly, but there are also Protestant church.
Okay. Some of you guys are asking what is the religion of Annie. So Annie is a Protestant po. So, ako naman ay Catholic. Yan. Yan, ito yung river nila dito guys. Napakalapad, no?
But there it's almost like a little stone beach down there. No?
Parang masarap maligo, pero bawal.
Yeah.
Bawal, right?
Because
Forbidden.
too much
Current.
current. Yeah,
Yeah.
the current is very strong.
Yeah. Dito sa may gilid niya parang hindi malakas guys. Pero pagdating doon sa gitna, ayan, malakas yan. Lalo pag hapon, malakas yung current. Ayan, ferry natin. Ayun, paalis na. I think the ferry will come already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's moving. Yan, dyan tayo sasakay sa maliit na yan. Kunin na natin si Baby Adam. Sarap pa naman ang tulog niya, nakanganga. Sorry Adam, storbayin ka muna namin. Come Baby Adam. Ay! Oh, Papa here, Papa. Alright, logo naman yan. Papa. Yeah, you continue your step, Papa, okay?
Adam.
Here,
Here's
Adam.
Adam.
In, Papa. Oh, may binigyan ko. Oh.
Mama, schöne Blumen.
Yeah.
Ein Landstück.
Oh.
Mhm.
Ein Samen vom Baum.
Von den
I closed it on my finger.
Ihip, 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 ihip.
Now it's not so bad. My fingers are used to me being clumsy.
Ba't ihip, ihip? My goodness. Oh,
It's okay, I made like that.
okay.
Das weiche Hilfe.
Oh, thank
Andyan ang ferry natin. Dito tayo sa Lilong. Ayan, sa silong-silong. Ayan na yung ferry, guys. Ping!
Adam.
Yeah,
Adam sleeping.
Yeah, Adam sleeping. Adam resting to Papa's arm.
So did you lock the car?
Ahai, 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 ahai.
Ayan na yung ferry. Yes, eh.
Ich möchte das Ticket zeigen.
She wants to show the ticket.
Ich möchte
Ach so.
auch ein Ticket
Wir
zeigen.
haben leider nur ein Ticket.
Die beide machen. Du dann kann ich. Hey. Auf der Rückfahrt auch noch mal ein Ticket. Ticket.
Ticket, ticket.
Na dann, na dann, dann. Na dann, na dann, na dann, na dann.
Ayan na, Ella.
Wir
Moment,
müssen
Ella, Moment.
aussteigen noch. Oh, guck mal da, eine Schlange. Schau, hier
Oh,
sieht
there's a
das-
snake. It's a water snake. I think so
Ja,
yun guys.
I think so. Seht ihr die Schlange?
Sasakay din siya ng ano guys.
Hiding under the...
It's really cute.
Da beim Boot. Guck
There,
mal,
oh,
unterm
yun,
Boot.
nandun sa ilalim
Die
ng ano,
schwimmt im Wasser.
ng boat.
Siehst du die?
Come, let's go.
Mama,
Here, go, go, go.
Wasserschlange.
Yay.
Wasserschlange. Was sagt die Wasserschlange? Ich will das TikTok geben.
Das TikTok.
Ich,
Ticket.
Ticket.
ich habe schon gesagt, ich will.
Here, Timmy, ah.
Aber du kannst gleich das Geld geben.
Du kannst gleich das Geld geben, okay?
Come here. Timmy, here. Oh, it's moving.
So this will not be in the shadow anymore. I think.
Yeah.
Ich will auch. Hast du für mich einen? Oh, das da unten gemacht.
Give me your bag so you can enjoy. Give me the bag. Lock it.
Alles übersichtlich.
Yeah. Okay. Gusto rin makita ni Timmy kasi maliit pa si Timmy.
Dann können wir gut auf die Bäume klettern. Mama,
Yan, Timmy, malapit na tayo.
das Geld gegeben hat.
Hm?
Du klingelst an, das Geld gegeben hat.
Das klingelt nicht.
Mama, warum hier? Ella, ich habe eine Idee, was wir machen mit das Ticket.
There's a lot of things that's flying. And what is that? This one.
These ones are from the trees.
From the
These
trees.
are called pollen, like the seeds of the trees. And a lot of people are allergic against this one in the springtime.
It's the springtime, huh?
Yeah, that's also what Papa sometimes has red eyes, running nose, a little bit
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
breathing problems because of this.
Mm-hmm.
Die ist jetzt auch schon abge... Guck mal, das hier musst du hier nochmal reinmachen, das müssen wir nämlich später nochmal vorzeigen. Danke.
Dankeschön. Tschüss.
Eine volle Stunde geht's wieder zurück.
Ja, genau, wunderbar. Dankeschön.
Danke. Come. Wow. Yeah. Oh, galing. Ang daming sigal din dito, guys. Ayan o. Nanginginain sila. So, nandito na tayo sa kabilang ilog o part ng lugar nila Ani. So, nandun tayo nang galing. Yun, doon. Tara. Layo-layo pa yung nalakarin natin. So, how many kilometers? I know you.
It's only like 5 minutes in this direction.
So 5 minutes.
Yeah, we first go there to the playground, and later ice cream is there.
Yeah, later. It's okay. First, we go to your doctor.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go to the doctor first. Come.
Gehen wir jetzt als Essen.
Wir gehen erstmal zum Spielplatz. Und
Wir wollen den großen langen Weg.
den großen langen Weg. Okay, we take the long way.
So gusto ni Ella yung mas exercise. Yeah. Burning our fats every day. Right, Timmy? Oh, lapad. Oh.
Wir fahren einschanzen.
Müssen wir mal gucken, vielleicht immer ein.
Pinunta nila yung prow. Yung sinasabi nilang prow. May babae na statwa doon.
There is a statue of a woman, and looks like she pooed
Yeah.
in her pants.
I noticed here really there's a lot of children's park or whatever so on. It's like a park, very wide, no? In Germany.
Yeah.
They focus on the place where you can sit down, relax with some books or
Yeah,
No?
that's important, like for the picture of the city if you want to
Picture of
see,
the
because
city,
you need like not only cement and houses, you also
Yeah.
need some green, like to relax your eyes and your soul.
Mm.
We really want the children to grow up with less gadgets and less screen time and more like on the nature and running around, playing, exploring, like that.
Mhm.
Because I think it's more healthy.
Sa totoo lang meron yan sila gadget every night, but let's say 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 minutes guys yung sleeping video, like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. We call it Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And then alternate with one video on Paw Patrol. I think 3 minutes like that bago sila matulog.
But we decided yesterday to not make it directly before sleeping.
Yeah,
because
yesterday.
I recognize the children are more excited afterwards.
Yeah.
So more problems to bring.
It's true. Yan, si Annie naman yung sumusuway sa akin pag medyo alam niya na nahihirapan yung mga bata makatulog. So, yun lang guys, sa totoo lang, yun lang yung screen time nila. Pagkakataon nila makanood ng ng Paw Patrol and then yung Twinkle Twinkle. Yan. The rest ay books and then playing time. Yan. Huh?
Yeah.
Yun. Katulad nito, yan. Lakad kami. Takbo, lakad. Sa ilalim ng puno. Mas more on walking activity kami dito sa Germany compared dun sa sa Palawan. Sa Palawan naman more on road trip kami.
Yeah.
And then going to the island.
But
I mean to the beaches, sorry.
The good thing is it doesn't matter exactly where you are because you always can find something else to do than only screen time.
Yeah.
Just
sure.
sometimes it's a little bit more work on the parents instead of just giving them the mobile phone and they're sitting there and you can do something else. You need to put on some work.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit more headache on the parents, but nicer for the children, I think.
Yeah, but it's really nice because you have like 90% focus on your children, right?
Yeah.
Rather than they focus on the gadgets, guys. You know that some.
And I think also if you look back, like if you grow up like this and look back on your childhood, you have nicer memories.
Yeah,
because
nicer
if you're only
like us.
watching videos, you don't really get any memories.
Yeah, it's true. Like us, no? We have a
Yeah.
lot of memories.
Yeah.
Yeah, in our childhood. So that's what we are planning for also for them, so that
Yeah.
when they grow up,
They're not just remembering videos,
Yeah.
but
more on
Yeah.
like climbing the trees, swimming, traveling. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
running around.
our main rule to them.
Yeah.
That's why I love you.
I love it too. Oh, by the way, if you're looking at Ella's legs and wondering what kind of sickness she has on her
It's a
leg,
drawing.
it's just a drawing. Just painting her legs.
It's painting like Timmy last time. So now we need to go to the Annie's doctor and then kami naman apat ay pupunta sa mini playground, guys. So dito lang kami sa labas, nantayin lang namin si Annie. May angil-angil na sila. Meron silang kawil. Lagi yan silang kumukuha ng kawil, guys. Yan. Kunwari kawil. Soon you will have the real kawil already. Yeah? I said soon they will have the real kawil.
Real what?
Real kawil.
Fishing rod?
Yeah, fishing rod. And you also. So where is it sa auto? Here.
Yeah.
Oh, come Timmy, malapit na tayo. Let's go. Pahingi kami yung baon.
I'm just searching for my card. Actually, you can take the thingy, but I just need my...
Your card is in the other thing.
It's there?
Yeah. Adam always wanted to move on. Oh, pahingi kami yung baon. Mamaya pag
Baka
magugutom tong dalawa.
So,
Hingi
see you
kami
later.
baon. So you will
I will
leave
only
it to me?
bring my insurance card. I think I don't need anything else.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah,
Enjoy. I
You
love
too. See you later.
Mhm.
Timmy, Ella, ich bin dann weg. Bis später.
Bis später.
Nein, ihr bleibt erstmal hier. Ihr geht gleich.
Enjoy.
Thank you, you too.
Ayan, buti na lang mayroong mini playground dito. So dito kami may iiwan.
Ever since you came into my life, it felt so good, it felt so right. You bring the sun on cloudy days, all the birds sing your praise. Do, 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 do. It's your face, your laugh, the way you hear music and the way you dance, but it's your soul that sings to me.
Ayan, naboboring na yung dalawa, guys. Maliit lang kasi yung playground doon kanina na kapuntahan namin. There, you see? Bawa naman si Timmy. Hindi na makaabot. Maliit pa. There! Good, Timmy! Lagyan nyo ng dako. Okay lang, tanggalin lang natin mamaya. Lumipat naman kami. Nabuhanig sila doon sa kabila. So, nandito kami sa may parang main city dito sa kabilang part ng river. Yeah, let's go! Naalala ko dito rin sila naglaro dati. Ayan, nandito pa rin pala itong auto tawag nila. Oh, dahan-dahan lang. Smack do. Go! Ondan Timmy. Let's go! Oh, di ba? Lalawak na mga park nila dito. Mauupuan, oh. Ang dami. Oh, come here. Dito. Ate Ella, bigyan mo si Timmy. Tag-isa kayo dyan eh. Ayan, treat nila ngayong araw. Maliban sa ice cream. What you will say to Papa?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tatlo yung naging activity natin ngayon. Check up ni Annie. Tapos, konting pasyal. At, yan, paguri na rin yung dalawang maliit na to. So, sigurado masarap na naman ang tulog nila mamayang gabi. Hey, Mama, there. Oh, there. You see? Oh.
Mama, come here.
Almost 1 hour na kami nag-aantay dito, guys.
Mama, can I eat? Mama said yeah.
I don't know where to buy ice cream. Only Mama knows. At itong dalawa, hindi na makatiis.
I can eat ice.
Yeah, let's go. Kaufin ice. Come. Let's go.
Cheese.
Bye-bye.
Cheese, Mama.
Cheers.
Lemon ice first.
Ang dami lumilipad-lipad, guys. Ayan, pumapasok na sa ilong ko. Nagising na rin si ating baby Ata. Sana makaantay siya habang bibili tayo ng ano. Alam na Ella kung saan bibili ng ice. You know where to buy ice, Ella? No. Sabi mo lang doon, pero hindi mo pala alam. Hanap na lang tayo. Yung dalawa na boring na gusto nang kumain ng ice. Yeah. Which flavor you like, Timmy? Air bear? Chocolate? Vanilla?
No.
No, what? Huh? What you like?
Chocolate.
Hondan?
Apple.
Okay. Oh, ang dami. Dalawa na agad. Hondan? Oh, there is a butterfly.
And
then?
mango.
Mango.
Yeah.
Hondan Ella, Ate Ella? Which
Paw
one you like?
Patrol eye.
Huh?
Paw Patrol eye.
Paw Patrol eyes. There is a Paw Patrol eyes.
Yeah.
Ako, malaki na Ella. Green. Yeah. There's a truck. Malaki. Green. Ayan, nag-grocery truck. Maganda. I think this one is a Lego truck. Ayan guys, oh. Wow. Do you like this, Timmy? I don't know where to buy this one. Pero ang laki niya, oh. Ganda. Kahit siguro adult talagang magugustuhan ito, oh. Sa edad ko.
Look, there's Lego.
Which one you like? Ice cream or this one?
Ice cream. Can't
Ice
feel
cream.
the ice cream.
I can't feel. Gusto niya maraming ice cream.
Can't feel the ice cream.
Yeah, feel ice cream. Siguro mag-aantay pa kami ng mga 1 oras nito. Medyo maraming nagpapacheck up ng mga nanay. So yun. But anyway, si Adam lang yung inaantay kong ano, or yung iniisip ko. Baka kasi magutom na at kailanganin niya ang mama. Ayan guys, ang dami lumilipad-lipad. Yun na nga, yung ano ng buto ng puno. Tapos pumapasok sa ano, sa ilong ko pag humihinga ka o sa bunganga. Kanina pa ako na hahatching. Panay-dukot ko sa ilong ko. Kasi pumapasok.
Yeah.
Ang dami oh.
Uy. Yeah. Uy.
Nandito na kami sa kabilang daan.
Go to Mama.
Ha?
Go to Mama.
Yeah, we will go to Mama. Ay, naghahanap kami ng ice. Kaya lang di ko alam to eh. Pero kung saan bibili. Balik na lang tayo kay Mama. We go back to Mama and ask Mama where is.
Mama, coming, and then Mama.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Mama.
Saglit lang, tatawid tayo. We need to wait for Mama, okay? Yeah? We just look there on the other side. Punta tayo doon sa unahan. Tingnan natin baka meron. Sits in there? No, we need to find the ice. Come. Hanap tayo ng ice. Pag wala, balik tayo kay Mama. O, si Ate Ella na una na, oh. Come. Wow! Ano na nga gusto mo ulit, Timmy? Air bear? O chocolate?
Can't feel ice. Like can't feel ice. Like can't.
Basta maraming ice lang daw, okay na yan. Akala ko ito ay merong ice cream pero wala. A la carte lang meron sila. Wala, Ella ko wala. Pag wala dyan, balik na tayo kay mama. Parang wala pa rin. Restaurant pa rin ito. So guys, so meron din dito buffet ng Chinese restaurant sa kabila. River lang pala nila. Yung nakaraan na pinunta namin, malayo pa. Balik na tayo. Wala, Ella. Balik tayo, kailangan natin bumalik. Come, let's go back. We will ask mama about the ice, okay? Otherwise, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Oh. Antayin natin si mama, okay? Yeah? Balikan muna namin si mama. Tsaka medyo na rin tong na to. Yung mga lumilipad-lipad sa sa daanan. Medyo nakakairita. Pumapasok sa ilong. Ha? Yeah, it's a dragon. Yay! Hello, Adam. Ay, buti na lang meron pang patient na natitira si Adam. Pati si Timmy tsaka si Ella. Pero tingin ko mga nasa 20% na lang yung kanilang pasensya. Ay, sana makalabas na si mama doon. Yan, nagsisimula na si Timmy. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Come here. Here, we go back here. We will look for mama. Okay? Almost. Mama will come already. Lago tayo. Yan na. Nauubos na yung pasensya nila. Yan guys. Dito na naman kami ulit sa harapan ng pinto ng mama nila. Wala pa rin si mama. Tara, hanap tayo dito. Baka may malapit dito na ice cream. Come. Let's go here. Let's look for the ice cream. Come to Papa. Ah, so you want mama already? Yeah, mama is upong. Nandun sa taas. Hanap tayo dyan. Hanap tayo. Babalik ito pag meron silang nakita na ice.
Mama.
Yeah, mama is ubong there.
Mama. Mama.
Hindi tayo maririnig ni mama. Nakasaraman yan.
Mama.
Mama, welcome.
It's not. It's arrow.
Oh, nawa tuloy ako sa dulo. Come, let's go. Let's look for the ice. Come. Ayan, nandito na naman kami sa kabila. Ayun! Timmy, there's an ice! Ah, salamat, may nakita akong ice cream store, guys. Yun sa unahan. May cone. Ella, there's an ice there! You know? Ayan! Come, let's go! Oh, the Aida ship. Ito yung barko namin dati, guys. Yan. Aida. Come, let's go here. Ay, salamat! Na yun. Ang hindi ko lang alam kung bukas ba ito. Aray, Diyos ko Lord. Tayo. Sana bukas ito. Pag sarado, nakalago tayo. Parang sarado nga. Oh, Ella, it's close, I think. Yan guys, oh. El's Cafe Andrea. Parang sarado nga. Ah, Ella is close. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, let's go to mama. Timmy, sarado Timmy. Sorry. Yeah. It's closed. Oh. Nainita na si baby Adam. Lumabas na sa ating baby bag. Hello. I-pray natin na sana matapos na yung check-up ni mama para makabili na tayo ng ice cream na kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung saan yung bilihan ng ice cream. Sana kami nakarating? Buti na lang yung pasensya ng dalawa. Tsaka ni Timmy ay meron pa. Otherwise, lagot talaga ako. Pero konting tiis na lang. Di ba, Lord? Hello, Adam. Yan, di ba, baby? Baby, Odom ko.
And
Oh, masarap. Is out, Kuya Timmy?
yeah, Rudolph out.
Okay. I love you, Kuya Timmy.
Yeah, Shun. Yeah, maganda. Inaaliw na lang ni Timmy si baby Adam, guys. Para mawala yung gutom niya. How was your check-up?
Good.
Oh, good. Ay, thank you, Lord. And this guy is already also hungry. Really?
Let's go
Hey.
find something nice.
You know what I found there?
What did you find?
A Chinese restaurant.
Ah, you want to eat there?
If you want to.
Yeah.
If you want to. Also.
Yes.
We will
like
see.
it.
Yeah, I
I
think
like
so.
Chinese.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
Come. But this one you need to take care at the
Yes, I
moment.
will, I
It's
will.
really hungry. Right, baby Adam? Ay, thank you, Lord. Yan na si Mama. Happy, Ella? Ella, happy? They are really almost,
They are
lose their
hungry.
patience. as
Yeah,
well.
I was also like,
Halika na. Tara na. Let's go find the ice.
let's
Come.
find the ice. Come, let's find it. Yes, we will find one.
You know the ice cream?
Huh?
You know the ice cream is?
I only know the one that you also went to, and which is closed. So we need to find
Yeah,
another
it's close also there. Aray, lagot. Patay tayo. Sarado rin yung ice cream store na alam ni Annie.
Maybe the Chinese, there's ice cream.
Ah,
They
yeah,
also have
it's
ice cream.
there. The other direction. So check natin sa may Chinese restaurant. Baka meron. Dahil gutom na rin yung pamilya, baka mas ma-amaze sila sa ibang pagkain. Here we go.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
nice. Long time did I really had like something Chinese like this one.
Hey, last time we are in Chow, asawa ko.
Yeah, but it was already so new, and this one is like old
The
style
old style,
Chinese
no?
food.
Yeah. Oh, come. Let's go.
Come.
Come,
I
come.
can smell the smell.
The smell. Okay, the smell. Ang bango, guys. Oo. Ay, sana meron silang ice cream. Ice cream. Oh, sushi. Asawa ko. Sushi. Paborito ni Annie. Yan. Sarap. Hinahanap ko yung ice cream sa kanila. So guys, meron tayong ice cream. Ayan. Kainan tayo na. Yeah. Let's go. Asan ka? Happy? Yeah. Kain na. Ooh. Hello. Oh, wow, guys. Sarap po. Sakto konti lang yung taong kumakain, guys. Ayan. Perfect timing. Emergency buffet asawa ko, ha? Ginutom kami sa kakaantay pati siya. Sarap. Ayan, button mushroom. Oh. Pero yung dalawa hindi na makaantay ng ice. Yeah, we will get ice. Eh, masarap asawa ko. Masarap. Oh, shrimp. Yes, shrimp. Actually, wala talaga sa plan namin mag-buffet ngayon, guys. Talagang ginutom lang kami. Pati mga bata. Ayan. But happy tummy later. And dito marami pa, guys. Wow! Look at this. Oh, there's asparagus. Oh, there's a chicken wings. Tapos fruit station na yan. Sarap. Oh, chocolate fountain. Aliko here also. Oh, wow. Dessert. Complete. Get already ice cream?
Yeah. This is for before because they were waiting so long.
Yeah, I think so. It's okay, no
So,
problem.
dann bringt euch die mal zum Tisch und dann dürft ihr das schon mal essen.
They're really wishing for this one while waiting for you. Oh, go.
So for you.
I will get later. Oh, there is a sushi before you forget. Get on the other side. Here is also the sauce, huh? So spicy for me. Yeah. You can put first the other plate here and then you will get later.
Long time I didn't go to France anymore. I don't know.
Ah, okay. That is my expertise. Yeah. Right, maybe Adam? Adam only for looking. Yeah. Oh, sarap, Nico.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of difference. Really nice. There also. Perfect.
And this one also avocado, I think.
Maybe that is wasabi, Nico.
Wasabi? Oh, that could be. I thought it's avocado.
That is not avocado. Lagot. This one is avocado. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Habang yung dalawa doon bumabakbak ng una nilang ice cream. Okay. Kainan time. O, kain na kayo. Ako naman kukuha, ha? Okay. Happy family. But first, we need to pray, okay? Ella and Timmy, we need to pray. Maybe 10. Okay? Dalawa, makbak na guys. Ayun sa kanila. Lord, thank you po sa pagkain na nasa harapan namin ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa lakas at sa magandang check-up ni Annie ngayong araw na to. And yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Amen. Forlish? Timmy, Ella, Forlish? Timmy, Ella, Forlish. Hold Ate Ella. Okay? Yeah, Forlish. It's okay. Forlish, Silas. Metag essen guten Appetit. Praise ay Jesus. Kain po tayo. Salamat. Kain. Enjoy your food.
Thank you so much.
You're hungry. Ella, kain na. Give Timmy also, Ella, okay? Good job. So, kain tayo guys. Talagang nakakagutom. May tsura pa lang, oh. Oh, wow. Ang ganda ng tissue nila guys. Oh. Meron talagang design. Adam already eating also. Papaya. I think we need to say goodbye na. Thank you for watching guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you Adam. Ella, Auntie Mi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Busy. Oh. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye. Ooh.